How much is Kartra? In this video, I will break down the pricing plans, and in a moment, I'll also share with you how you can access my 12K bonus stack that will help you solve the number one issue all online businesses have. Now, Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you eliminate the need to have multiple tools by centralizing everything in one place. With Kartra, you have features such as landing pages and websites, ability to make online courses, membership websites, form builders, AI capability, access to create webinars, email marketing capabilities, checkouts, which is essentially your e-commerce platforms, affiliate management system, funnels and campaigns, and so much more. So let's go ahead and take a look at the plans and pricings of Kartra. Now, as you can see, you can start off with a 30-day free trial of Kartra where you'll have 0% transaction fee. You'll be able to build your course, create landing pages, generate leads, send up to 1,000 emails, and make a sale. This means you'll also be able to have a one-on-one onboarding call and full access to Kartra support. But now let's answer the question, how much is Kartra? Now, for the starter plan, you will be paying $119 a month. With this, you'll be able to get unlimited emails, up to 2,500 contacts on your email list, one domain, one language, and 5 team members. This will give you the ability to have unlimited pages and forms, unlimited email and sequences, unlimited membership prices, unlimited memberships and courses, up to 100 plus ready to launch campaigns, access to a calendar scheduling and booking system, and full access to Kartra support. The next plan will be the growth plan, which is deemed the best value plan. That's for $229 a month. And with this plan, you also get 0% transaction fees, unlimited emails, but 12,500 contacts, free domains, unlimited languages, and up to 10 team members. So essentially, you're getting all the benefits of the starter plan, but you're also going to get the funnel simulation, webinar access for up to 300 attendees, access to an affiliate management system, advanced automations, surveys and quizzes, help desk access, and full access to Kartra support. The next plan they have available for you is the professional plan. Now, this is $549 a month. And with this, you're going to also get 0% transaction fee, but unlimited emails, 25,000 contacts, 5 domains, unlimited languages, and up to 20 team members. So you're going to get everything that the growth plan provides you with, but you'll have access to real-time funnel analytics, webinar access with up to 1,000 attendees, help desk live chat, and once again, full access to Kartra support. Now, last but not least is the enterprise plan. That is $999 a month. Now, with this, you're going to get 250,000 contacts, up to 50 custom domains, up to 50 team members, and webinar access for up to 5,000 attendees. Now, these are the prices when you decide to pay monthly, but if you decide to pay yearly, you can save up to 22% on each plan. So if we click here, you're going to see that drops the prices down to $99 a month for the starter plan, saving you $240 a year. For the growth plan, that knocks it down to $189 a month, saving you $480 a year, which is amazing. For the professional plan, you'll be saving $429 a month, saving you $1,440 a year. And last but not least, instead of paying $999 a month, you'll be paying $750 a month for the enterprise plan. But if you're not quite sure what plan is right for you, go ahead and start with a free trial, a 30-day free trial. Build out your courses, build out your landing pages. After 30 days, you will know exactly what plan makes sense for your needs. And all you have to do is hit the link below to get access to a 30-day free trial, or go ahead and pick a plan of your choice. Now, in the beginning of the video, I told you I was going to give you access to my 12K bonus stack for those that decided to take action, and this bonus stack would definitely help you solve the number one problem that most businesses have. So the first part of my 12K bonus stack is giving you access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, the 24-hour ranking system is going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google for free without the need of paid traffic. Meaning you get to find your customers exactly where they are using the 2 biggest search engines in the world, which is YouTube and Google. Meaning you get to place yourself right in front of your ideal customer, making you money straight away. And when I say straight away, I mean within 24 hours. This will definitely help boost and improve your sales, your affiliate marketing sales, making you more commissions and boosting your business activity. Next, I'm going to give you the license to be able to give this very 12K bonus stack away to your audience, helping you to provide more value when promoting products and services in the future or in your courses. So this is a pretty big deal. But the biggest part of this bonus stack is you'll get weekly coaching calls with my mentor, Paul Murphy, for free every single week. This will give you the ability to ask him any questions you have in regards to your business and how to get more customers to your offer in order to make more sales. Now, Paul Murphy usually charges $15,000 or more just for a consultation. So this is a great opportunity for you to get in front of him and ask the right questions and start seeing big improvements in your online business. And last but not least, you will get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, where this will give you the ability to get your first listings on the front page of Google. This is powerful because once you see this system works, you will be encouraged to jump right ahead and start implementing this in your day-to-day online activities in order to get more customers. So if we just have a quick recap, you are going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor Paul Murphy, a license to give this very bonus stack away, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this alone should be able to boost and solve the number one problem that most online businesses have today, and that is traffic. And this 12K bonus stack will help you solve that very problem. But I want to add more value, and I want to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, this is an over-the-shoulder course that will show you how to build a mega list and how to monetize that to the point where you could possibly be making thousands of dollars a day just by simply following these simple instructions. Not only will you learn about email marketing and its very importance in every business, you're going to learn how to build your email list, a big email list, using a secret traffic source, while learning hacks on how to guarantee amazing open rates. And this is newbie friendly, so you don't have to have any prior experience with email marketing. So this is something that is definitely going to add value to everything you're doing right now. You're going to be using AI to make the system more smooth, and best of all, you can start immediately. Now, this was $197, but today, if you decide to sign up to Kartra, you'll get access to List Prodigy for free. So that means you'll get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, a license to give this 12K bonus stack away, access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, and you also get access to List Prodigy. But I want to sweeten the deal even more, and I want to give you access to 90 Make Money online courses. Now here you're going to find everything from affiliate marketing to high ticket sales training to LinkedIn mastery to Amazon FBA and even Bitcoin and blockchain training. Now, these 90 courses will not only give you the ability to learn and sharpen your skills, but will also give you access to information that you can share on your membership sites or courses in order to empower the quality of service you're providing to your audience. And all you have to do to get access to this is to head over to evanslutu.com/Kartra or hit the link below, where you will land on this landing page, fill in your name, your email, click both of these in order to receive the email, hit the button, then you'll receive an email with all your bonus access, or you'll get access to the 24-hour ranking system bundle, the List Prodigy, and 90 Make Money online courses. And that will be available at evanslutu.com/Kartra. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer that. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.